everybody, it's Amanda Jane back from Amanda Jane Duran Crafts, and we're bringing you our second set of videos with my beautiful daughter Haley. And today we're still preparing for my birthday, so we are going to make little jars. She came up with this idea all on her own yesterday when we went shopping at the Dollar Tree. She picked out the colors and the ribbon, and she designed this whole thing, so I cannot take any credit for this whatsoever. This is all on her. So what we're going to need is an empty jar. For jars, we use old jelly, salsa, and sauce jars. Just stick them in and clean them. You could use any ribbon style of your choice. Haley chose this one right here. And of course, I had this one just lying around. Once everything's dry, you kind of have a cute little jar just like this. And the only thing that's left to do, go ahead and fill it. I'm very in love with the color combination she chose. It was very pretty and I love it. Oh. There you go. And there you have it, folks. Your own little jars. And might I also add that you can use the same thing with different supplies. Right here I have where I hold my silverware in my cabinet. All I did was spray paint an old can of corn. I took matching cardstock, wrapped it around, and then glued it together. And of course, you gotta use the rope. And I did the same thing on this one, only I didn't add anything other than just the cardstock with the pattern on it, and then I spray painted the can, of course. And there you have it, guys. Go ahead and leave me a message and let me know what you did with your jars, because I'm always looking for new inspiration, just like she inspired me yesterday. So let me know what you think, guys, and we'll see you again in a couple weeks. Bye!